Hey y'all, so I am back with another try-on haul, but this time it is with AliExpress. I was about to say Alibaba, but I'm like, they both the same thing. They both sell the same thing, so it really doesn't matter, you know, so yeah. But anyway, so this is an AliExpress try-on haul. I haven't did this in years and years. They got a couple of cute pieces on there or whatever. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I picked out, and I believe all this stuff was under $10. Like, I didn't get nothing over $10. Okay, so yeah. So the first piece that I already have on is like this little beige type off-white romper. And it is so cute, but the only thing is that it is hot material. It's hot material, it's thick material, so I would say this would be best for September, like the end of September when it's kind of cooling down. So I feel like this is best for that. This is not good for summertime because this material is hot material. It's thick and it has the little buttons on there. I decided to follow the rules when it comes to the buttons. I decided to button it all the way up because I'm not going to do it like I do my onesies. So yeah. But I'm wearing a size large. I'm going to get the price and I'm going to get the pictures as well, and I'm going to post it on this video. Somewhere on this video, y'all. So I'm gonna get the price, but everything that I purchased was under $10, I believe. And I'm wearing a size large and it fits good. It actually only goes up to a size large, so I just get the biggest size. But yeah. Yeah, so this is definitely a fall type piece. This is not good for the summer, even though it's short sleeve and short pants. The material is thick and it's hot, but it's super cute though. It's super cute. So a little butt cheek, booty. All right, so I'll get y'all in the next one. All right, y'all, so next we have this like shirt dress, and it says all natural, simply thick, and that's me. That's definitely me, so I feel like this was perfect and it would fit my body good. So they had this one in black too, but I wanted the white one. So let me go ahead and back up. Let's see. What's giving? All natural. Yeah, so it's the tank top. Got the little V cut right here. And I am wearing a size large or extra large. I'm gonna put it on this video so y'all can know exactly what size I'm wearing, and I'm gonna put the price too, so don't worry y'all. Don't worry. But yeah, this is definitely for the summertime. It's not super thin, it's a little bit thick, but yeah, it's perfect. Let me back up. Yeah, but it's perfect though. Summertime. You can, I don't know what type of shoes you can wear. Maybe some flat shoes that you can wear with this. Yep. You need to wear like some dark shorts too, so your panties won't show through this. I'm recording this for YouTube, so it don't really matter what underwear I wear. So yeah, back up one more time so y'all can see. Get that pull. And there's a tank. So yeah. It's super, super cute. And I got plenty of room. So I might be wearing an extra large in this, but I'll leave it in the video, y'all. So yeah, I think this was definitely under $10. Definitely under $10. Yeah, it's giving snatch though. I'm definitely losing a little weight. I'm definitely losing some weight. Cause it's giving snatch. I ain't gotta wear no waist trainer, no tummy control. You know, I can work with this, you know. I can work with this. You know, I'm definitely wearing this out somewhere. I'm definitely though. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. And y'all, before I decided to record this look, I actually came back with just this shirt on and some panties. I'm like, wait a minute, I gotta have on some bottom. Cause really, all I want to do is just show y'all this shirt or whatever that I've been having in my cart for the longest on AliExpress. I've been wanting this shirt for so long. It says, "Stop copying me. You're not even doing it right." Like, this shirt is for me. Like me, like, yes. Yes, stop copying me. You're not even doing it right. That is so real. Like, you know, be original. Do your own. Do your own. Be creative. Yeah. Do what you want to do. You know, what you're passionate about. What you're not going to take breaks with. You know? Anyway, I decided to pair it up with these shorts. And it's also, it's thin. It's a little crop tee in this thin material. You need to wear a black bra with it, like me. I decided to pair it up with these shorts that y'all seen before already. Y'all seen these? Yeah, I was gonna pair it up with some jeans, but I didn't feel like it. It is hot, and also I hope y'all don't. I hope my AC is not too loud. I just went to go turn up the jazz in the background, so yeah, but all y'all really needs to hear is me talking or whatever. The AC barely work anyway. I gotta get it fit, but yeah, yeah. I paired it up with these shorts right here. I think I got these shorts from AliExpress too. I'm not sure, but this video is not about the short. I just paired it up with the short. It's about the crop shirt that I'm wearing, but it pairs up good though. It pairs up good. So I got another crop shirt that I gotta show too. So I'm gonna be wearing these shorts with it as well. So yeah, I'm showing my little tummy or whatever. I can get away with it, yeah. Give me to December. Give me to December. It'll be a little bit flatter. I'm swole. Alright. He sent me everywhere he goes just to show me off. Okay, y'all, so back with another one. So I've been having this shirt, this crop shirt in my cart as well. I just thought it was cute, really. It really doesn't pertain to me. Well, sorta, kinda, or whatever. It says deleted my ex. I never deleted my ex. Well, at least the ex that count. Yeah, the ex that count never been deleted though, but you know, those exes that don't really count, those are the ones that are deleted and blocked, you know. But anyway, this one is pretty much similar to the last one. I was wearing a size large. I was wearing a size large in the last crop tee. This one is pretty much the same. Material not too thick, not too thin. Yeah. And this one is a size large too. And I still got on the blue jean shorts. Whatever. This is not like what I would pair this shirt up with. I wouldn't normally pair this shirt up with these blue jean shorts. I would pair it up with something else. I might do that in an outfit of the day video to show y'all what I really want to pair this, you know, shirt up with. But that's for another video. So, but these shorts gonna have to do for now for the video because I gotta wear something with it. But yeah, deleting my ex. I would say when you getting stuff from AliExpress with words on it, you'll have to wash this in like some cold water, turn it inside out. But yeah, because eventually, like if you keep on washing this and washing it and washing it, eventually it might peel. I did have one shirt that I got from AliExpress that did peel, but it wasn't by the same vendor. So maybe this one would be different. It depends on how much you wear it, you know, it just wear and tear. But yeah, deleted my ex. And my favorite color is like red and black and gold, so this go good together. Also, y'all, I did get some lingerie that I saw that was so cute. But y'all, they showed it on the picture. It showed the model it going over her knees. This one appears short. Okay, y'all, so I thought this little blue little lingerie nightgown was so cute. But like I was saying, on the model, it appears to be long. It is longer. It is longer on the model. So when I got it, I'm like, this is short. Ain't no way this is gonna go over my knees. So I'm gonna have to wear the shorts over it, because it's not gonna go over my knees. So I'm gonna have to wear something under this to really like show y'all. And this is a size large, I believe. I believe this is a size large. So yeah, but look y'all. Look, see, everything would have been showing, like everything. Like this might as well just be a little shirt. Like, it doesn't go down to my knees at all. Like, it doesn't. It doesn't. So I end up giving them like a 3-star review, because I'm like, on the model it shows that it's super long, and then it's super short on me. I mean, it's still cute though, but I guess I can wear it like this. It also comes with a thong, y'all. It comes with a blue thong. So yeah, I'm glad I could wear the shorts with it at least. So I can wear this for someone special. Yeah. But yeah, y'all see the model, it make it look like it's super long. But it's not, it's super short, see? It's super short. That's why I try not to spend a whole lot of money on those China websites. You never know what you're gonna get. What I expected versus what I got. That's what it's giving. You know? That's what it's giving. It doesn't go all the way down or nothing, but I could probably, you know, wear this like as a shirt or something at a club or a lounge or something. Won't nobody know it's lingerie? Nah, somebody gonna know it's lingerie. Somebody gonna know. This definitely looks like lingerie. Well, I might be able to. It depends on what I compare it up with. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, alright y'all. Thank y'all for watching this AliExpress try-on haul. And if you want to see more AliExpress try-on haul or any other brand, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Alright y'all. Be good.